Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the delightful town of Didsbury, Alberta, a charming community nestled in the heart of Central Alberta. Surrounded by beautiful rolling hills and farmland, Didsbury offers a picturesque setting and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The town was established in the late 19th century and has a rich history that is evident in its well-preserved heritage buildings and local landmarks. Didsbury got its name from Didsbury, Manchester, in England, as many of the early settlers who founded the town hailed from that area. This connection to its English roots is still celebrated today, adding a unique cultural touch to the town's identity. Whether you're exploring the local parks, taking a stroll through the charming downtown area, or participating in community activities, Didsbury offers a peaceful and friendly atmosphere that makes it a great place to call home. The town's commitment to preserving its heritage while embracing progress is evident in its well-maintained streets and thriving local businesses, making Didsbury a truly special place in Central Alberta. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Didsbury, Alberta.